Hello friends, I Dr. Satish Chauhan welcome you in the video lecture 5 of Modern Approach to the Chemical Industry. In this video, we will learn about intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights, IPR, means in Marathi it is called as बौद्धिक संपदा अधिकार. Intellectual property IP refers to creation of mind such as invention, literary and artistic work, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. बौद्धिक संपदा अधिकार म्हणजे काय? इट रिफर्स टू द क्रिएशन ऑफ माइंड. एखाद्याने एखादं चित्र काढलेलं असेल, सपोज किसी ने एक पिक्चर निकाला है जो पहले किसी ने नहीं निकाला, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इट इज़ अ क्रिएशन ऑफ हीज और हर माइंड. किसी ने कोई पोयम की है, कविता की है, कोई सॉन्ग लिखा है, सो इट इज़ अ क्रिएशन ऑफ हर और हिज ओन, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इंटेलेक्चुअल, वैयक्तिक बौद्धिक संपदा अधिकार. सो दैट इज द हिज और हर ओन क्रिएशन. IP is protected in law. For example, patents, copyrights and trademarks, which enable people to earn recognition or financial benefit from their invention or creation. Intellectual property laws vary from nation to nation. Intellectual property laws are managed by World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO. The Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Property 1883 and the Berne Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Works 1886 are under the direct control of WIPO. So, what are the intellectual property rights? Authorship, trademark, patents, copyrights, brands, licensing, registered trademark, protection, invention, creation of mind, like this. So, these are the some intellectual properties. सो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी म्हणजे काय? की मानव संपदा. Some of the activities or arcs covered by IP rights are industrial designs. Consider the logos of various companies, designs of the companies. Let us consider Apple, Twitter, Samsung. These are the industrial designs. Scientific discoveries, literary, artistic and scientific fiction works, trademark, service marks, other rights such as industrial, scientific and literary field. IP rights can be classified into two groups such as copyright, patent and trademarks, trade secrets, utility model, geographical indication and industrial design rights. Copyright. So, what is copyright? The copyright is the legal term used to describe the rights that creators have over their literary and artistic work. The work covered by copyright ranges from books, music, paintings, sculpture and films to computer program, databases, advertisement, maps and technical drawings. So, significance of portions of Copyright Act are: subject matter of copyright. It gives protection to the original work of authorship in the field like literary work and motion pictures. Exclusive rights. The important exclusive rights are copyright and right to sell the work to the public. These are exclusive rights. Fair use. It describes the fair use of work, for example, commercial, educational and reproductive. The term of protection. The agreement for certain period of time, license, etc. Transfer of copyright. Section 204 of Act exercises control over the transfer of ownership of copyright. Let us consider patent. Patent is the Latin word obtained from patere, means to lay open or make available for public usage. A patent is a set of exclusive or absolute rights permitted by the government to discoverer or inventor or their assignee for a limited period of time. The procedure of permitting patents depends upon the national laws of the particular state or country. The most important condition is that the invention must be new. It must also be innovative and applied that is useful for industrial purpose. The most important right to grant a patent is prohibit others from making, using, selling or distributing the patented invention without permission or approval. Trademark. Trademark is a sign capable of distinguishing the goods and services of one enterprise from those of other enterprises. So, this is the symbol of unregistered trademark, or that is the symbol of registered trademark. So, this is the symbol of Google, which is registered trademark of Google. This is Apple, think different, and these are the all symbols of various companies and product. YouTube, we have Colgate, Heinz, BBC, Ford, Visa, then we have Twitter, Amazon, Disney, BlackBerry, Samsung, Procter and Gamble, Sony, like that. So, these are the designs created by their company. No other person can use these symbols without prior permission of the particular owner. So, these are the trademarks. Advantages of IP rights. It helps in providing exclusive rights to the creator or inventor, thereby inspire them to distribute the share information and data instead of keeping confidential. It gives legal protection and offers them incentives, that is encouragement of their own work. Rights granted under the IP Act helps in socio and economic development. Intellectual property rights in India. Intellectual property rights have become significantly conspicuous on the legal horizon of India, both in terms of new statutes and judicial pronouncements. India ratified the agreement for establishing the World Trade Organization, that is WTO, which contains the agreement on trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. In short, it is called as TRIPS. Indian statutes, enforcement provisions and methods of dispute resolution with respect to intellectual property protection are fully TRIPS compliant. The IP rights in India include the Trademarks Act 23rd December 1999, the Patents Act 1970 revised 99 and amended in 2005, the Copyright Act 1957 revised in 1999, the Designs Act 2000, the Geographical Indications of Goods, that is Registration and Protection Act 99, the Semiconductor Integrated Circuits Layout Diagram Design Act 2000, the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001, the Information Technology Act 2000. Students, in this video lecture we have seen what is intellectual property and their intellectual property rights. We will continue in our next videos. Till then, it's bye. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.